In this section, I will explain what CableMod's 16-pin adapter is and how it can power the RTX 4090 graphics card. CableMod's 16-pin adapter is a low-profile connector that plugs into your graphics card's 16-pin 12V PWR port, which is a new power standard introduced by NVIDIA for its RTX 40 series cards. The adapter allows you to use 3 standard 8-pin PCIe cables from your power supply instead of NVIDIA's quadruple 8-pin to 16-pin adapter, which has been reported to cause some issues with overheating and melting. The CableMod's 16-pin adapter has several advantages over NVIDIA's adapter. First, it reduces the stress on the 16-pin power connector by changing the direction of the cable to either 90-degree or 180-degree angles, depending on your preference and case compatibility. This helps increase the clearance between the GPU and the side panel, which is especially important for today's super-wide GPUs like the RTX 4090. Second, it uses a reinforced PCB design to achieve an angled connection, which ensures full contact with all cable terminals and eliminates the risk of thermal issues due to excessive wire and terminal stress from tight bending radii. Third, it looks great with its sleek styling and unobtrusive design, which adds to the aesthetic appeal of your system. The CableMod's 16-pin adapter can power the RTX 4090 graphics card by delivering up to 600 W of power through its 16 AWG wiring. The RTX 4090 has a rated power consumption of 450 W, but it can draw more power when overclocked or under heavy load. The CableMod's adapter can handle this extra power demand without any problems, as long as your power supply has enough wattage and quality to support it. The CableMod's adapter is compatible with most RTX 4090 models from different brands, such as Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, Aorus, and NVIDIA. You can check the full compatibility list on CableMod's website. To summarize, CableMod's 16-pin adapter is a handy accessory that lets you use 3 standard 8-pin PCIe cables to power your RTX 4090 graphics card instead of NVIDIA's quadruple 8-pin to 16-pin adapter. It offers better cable management, increased clearance, improved reliability, and enhanced aesthetics for your system. It is also easy to install and works with most RTX 4090 models on the market. If you want to win an RTX 4090 with CableMod's 16-pin adapter, don't forget to enter their giveaway on Reddit before it ends. Good luck! Now, let's talk about the giveaway contest that you've all been waiting for. How would you like to win an RTX 4090 with CableMod's 16-pin adapter? That's right. One lucky winner will get their hands on this beast of a graphics card and this sleek and sturdy power adapter that will make your cable management a breeze. Here are the details of the giveaway contest. To enter, you need to be a subscriber of this channel, like this video and leave a comment below telling me why you want to win the RTX 4090 with CableMod's 16-pin adapter. You can also share this video on your social media platforms for extra entries. The giveaway is open worldwide, so anyone can participate as long as they have a valid shipping address. The deadline for entering is June 15, 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. I will randomly select one winner from all the eligible entries and announce it on my next video. The prize is a Gigabyte RTX 4090 Gaming OC graphics card and a CableMod 12V PWR angled adapter of your choice. The graphics card was kindly donated by CableMod, who repaired it after it was damaged by a faulty 16-pin power connector. The adapter is CableMod's best-selling product that allows you to plug in your power cable at either 90-degree or 180-degree angles, increasing clearance and reducing stress on the connector. So, what are you waiting for? Enter the giveaway contest now and you might be the lucky winner of an RTX 4090 with CableMod's 16-pin adapter. Good luck to everyone and thanks for watching.